Add it to the cart.
Add to the cart.
Add it to the cart.
Add to the cart.
So
Look at the savings. It's crazy. Biggest sale we've ever done.
now's the time to buy.
Buy your kits now, guys. What is going on here, guys?
I brought
Hello.
this in.
Welcome back.
I'm
So-
working on the Black Friday deal, so we're not showing it yet.
Can't get that flag in the picture. Anyway, yeah, there's a flag right there. We can't get the video. So somebody asked where Alex was. He's right here.
Hello.
Don't worry, guys. He's in the video. So we're gonna get some Black Friday deals going, and we're gonna put them on the whiteboard so we can actually show you guys what we got going on. Pretty excited about it. Tons of crazy deals coming. So
I'm
I don't
working
know.
on
Are
this
you
now.
are you writing it or?
I'm getting ready to right now.
Okay, so we're gonna write them and video at the same time. So I'll flip the camera around. Let's check this out. He's a lefty.
I am a lefty.
Oh.
So what do we got? We got our.
Got all the websites to start. Oh, if I can spell.
Okay, so what do we got for our websites? All of our websites.
BBCTrakes.com,
Yeah.
BBCBigWheels.com, BBCOffroad.com.
And what are we doing?
So 20% off your entire purchase.
20% off.
Every single website.
Every single website. Okay. I'll just keep repeating it and annoying everybody. Okay, so you guys can go to every single website. If you want to just write down like 20% right here.
Oh, I can't spell. It's fine.
Everything's fine.
ALL.
All sites.
Okay, so 20% off all websites for Black Friday. Starting what, Wednesday?
Wednesday.
Okay, so we got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday.
Monday.
We might have some special sales on Monday. We're not going to talk about those yet.
No.
Not at all.
Wednesday through Monday.
Wednesday through Monday. Okay. But here's the deal, guys. So we're going to actually bump this up to almost 25%. So what's the deal with that?
All right, so when you spend over $3,500
Okay.
on BBC Trakes,
Yep.
you're gonna get a free $100 digital gift card to the website.
I didn't know we were giving away that much. So what are we doing? $100? That's not bad.
That's awesome.
So that's over, I mean, that's technically over 20%.
yeah,
Technically over 20%. If you do the math, we're not going to sit here and do the math, but you guys are getting an extra $100 gift card on top of the 20%. We've never done this before. Again, it's the biggest sale we've ever done. So what do they get if they
Now,
don't want to spend $3,500?
If they spend under $3,500, they still get a gift card. They get $25.
Okay,
Yeah,
cool. That's not bad.
better than nothing.
So under is 25. Perfect. So what else we got?
On BBC Big Wheels.
Okay, so that's BB's Tracks. Over $3,500, you get a $100 gift card. You can also enter our raffle that's still
Yes.
going. If you guys buy a t-shirt, you can possibly win a trike
And
kit.
the t-shirts are discounted as well right now.
Perfect.
Okay, so for BBC Big Wheels, if you spend over $500, you get a free $100 digital gift card.
So we're getting you a little bit more on that one then, looks like. Of course,
Yeah,
we really,
honestly,
but we really
normally spend over $500.
we really just have Big Wheel kits on
Yeah.
there. So
Yeah,
you guys
so
are
there's no
pretty
minimum.
much gonna spend
That's
more.
it.
So bbcbigwheels.com, if you want a Big Wheel kit, get a $100 gift card and 20%
And
off,
20%
and 20%
off,
off, and an extra $100 gift
A
card.
lot of savings right now. All right,
Beautiful.
on bbcoffroad.com, if you spend over $50, you get $25 digital gift card. So anything over $50.
The $25 gift card?
Yep, digital gift card.
I'm about to spend my whole check.
Right?
Plus the 20% off too, so.
So you're telling me right now, if you buy a sprocket guard at 20% off and
Yep.
it's still over 50,
Yep.
we're giving you an additional 25.
Yeah, you
That
get $25
that's
back.
like- that's
you could
like-
use that hint. You could use that towards a caliper rotor guard bracket if you want one.
that's like giving stuff away.
Yes.
Black Friday
Yes.
Black Friday.
Black Friday sales.
from
Friday sales.
Wednesday to Monday. What's the date on Wednesday so people actually know? I know somebody's gonna ask. We'll write it down.
Someone's gonna see this video in like a month and be like, why aren't the deals going on?
I know.
November 24th it starts. November 24th
Through when?
to November 29th.
I like it. I feel like we're in class right now.
I know.
We got
Better
this,
to write it
We
down.
got this nice whiteboard. We had to break it in.
Yes, we do.
And we have our traditional welcome back.
Welcome back.
Welcome back. Hell yeah.
So yeah, a lot of big savings right now.
Cool. Okay, so just pick like a subframe or something.
Well, I'm gonna pick.
Or a tray
let's
kit.
say you're gonna build your kit, Honda.
Okay, so you're gonna build your kit.
Let's say
What's the base price? Go back up.
Yeah, well, it depends on which year.
Okay, so pick your bike. There's a base price, and then you can add all your add-ons on there.
So let's say they just choose 05 Honda CRF 450R, and let's say they only want to add a rear red fender and a front fender to their order. So you add that to your cart. And then this pops up, gives you your order summary. you have the option to enter into our trike giveaway.
And you guys don't have to if you don't want
Yes,
to. But
you
we are
don't have
discounting
to.
the t-shirts right
You
now.
can choose, and then you scroll down, you get the digital gift card, $50.
So there's the $50 gift card for that one.
And then check.
Because it was under...
3,500.
Well, shit, you told me 25 over here. So is it 50 or 25?
Oh, sorry, $50.
Right, 50 on there. I thought 25 was a little cheap.
No,
That did not sound right to me. So we're bumping you up to 50, guys. That's what the website says.
All right, so $50 digital gift card under $3,500.
Cool. So you guys can see the insane
and the
savings right here.
savings, yeah.
Cool. So that's an automatic code. You just add it to the cart.
Yeah, it's just automatic. It does
Okay,
it all
you want to
for
just
you.
write that on there? Just add to the cart. How do they get this deal? Add it to the cart. So guys, we have our website semi-automated. You don't have to type codes in. It's gonna apply all the discounts for you. There's no games. You don't have to worry about a code. Add it to the cart.
Add to the cart.
Add it to the cart.
Add to the cart.
So let me show you if, let's say,
So go to one that's a little bit more.
well, let's just double this up.
So double it.
We'll double
Maybe
it.
they want two
We'll
standard
make it
kits.
6,600.
Okay, so let's say they bought 2 kits.
And then you'll see the savings plus the 100.
Look at the savings. It's crazy. Biggest sale we've ever done.
Now's the time to buy.
Buy your kits now, guys. All right, guys, now's the time to buy. If you want to save, now's the only time. It's the biggest sale we've ever had in, God, 17 years of being in business. I'm gonna flip this around again so you guys can see it, get all the details. But just remember, there's gonna be extended lead times. We're gonna get hammered with orders. Last year, we got absolutely hammered. So it's gonna be double or triple, maybe more. So just, if you guys are gonna save, let's say $1,500 on an order, just keep in mind, you're gonna wait a couple more months. It's just what it is. As when we say lead times, we mean complete kits like top to bottom, subframe, triple clamp, swing arm, the whole kit. We have a lot of vendors that we use for the kit. So sometimes fenders get held up, axles, things like that. But what we do is we usually parcel ship. So as you guys can see, we have a ton of bill of parts in stock, basically ready to ship. And that stuff's gonna ship right away with your order. And then the remaining parts will come. We're gonna get hammered. It happens every single year. But we bought a water jet, we bought a VF4, we bought a bunch of other equipment that's actually gonna speed this process along. We've got extra employees this time. So we're gonna see how it goes this year, and I think it's gonna be a lot faster than last year. So stay tuned, guys. Head over to bbctrikes.com. We're gonna get you set up to save some crazy money on your trike kit. And Alex, you got any parting words? Can't get the flag in the video.
Can't get the flag in the video. Buy some kits, keep me busy.
Perfect. Thanks, guys. See you in the next video.